our next guest for the day.
He is the man of the moment. दोस्तों, एक स्टार एक्टर वो होता है जो अपनी खुद की पहचान भुलाकर अपने आप को पूरी तरह अपने किरदार में ढाल लेता है। सोते जागते उस किरदार की तरह सोचता है, महसूस करता है, सांस लेता है। और मैं जिनका जिक्र कर रहा हूं, उनके बारे में मशहूर है कि वो अपने हर चैलेंजिंग मुश्किल किरदार को जी लेते हैं। He who doesn't just get into the skin of the character, but he becomes the character. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on the stage the star actor with dashing looks and a golden heart, none other than Farhan Akhtar. Thank you so much for joining in, and it's good to have you with us, Farhan. How thrilled are you to finally bringing the world of Toofan to the entire world, and this is one of the most anticipated film of the year.
I'm very excited to share this film with the world. Very thankful that Amazon is presenting it for us. But for me, really, the special thing is, of course, there is the sport, there is the drama, but the big one was really collaborating with Rakesh again on a film. You just spoke about Bhag Milkha Bhag as well. It has been one of the most amazing adventures that I had been on as far as making a movie was concerned. And lightning, they say, very rarely strikes the same place twice. So to be standing in a spot where that lightning hit again, I consider myself very fortunate.
And you still managed to defend yourself and be there on the top, impressing the world and doing justice to every character that you
thank
play.
you so much.
अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा द पावर हाउस बिहाइंड एक्सेल एंटरटेनमेंट, जिन्होंने साल दर साल हमें इतनी मोटिवेटिंग और एंटरटेनिंग फिल्में और सीरीज दी हैं। प्लीज वेलकम ऑन स्टेज द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द फिल्म, मिस्टर रितेश सिद्धवानी। और अब बारी है उस शख्स की जिन्हें किसी इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं, वो फिल्म मेकर जिन्होंने ब्लॉकबस्टर स्टोरीज में जान डाल दी है, जिनकी फिल्में सिर्फ एंटरटेन नहीं करती बल्कि इंस्पायर भी करती हैं, जिन्होंने हमें एक से बढ़कर एक पाथ ब्रेकिंग फिल्म्स दी हैं। रंग दे बसंती और दिल्ली 6 से लेकर द लेजेंडरी स्पोर्ट्स ड्रामा भाग मिल्खा भाग तक। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मेरे साथ स्वागत कीजिए इस तूफानी स्पोर्ट्स सागा के क्रिएटर का। गिव इट अप फॉर द प्रोड्यूसर एंड द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द फिल्म, राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा। Once again, a Toofani welcome to all three of you. Thank you so much for joining us here. आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक छोटा सा सवाल है कि एक छोटी सी हिंट दे दीजिए हमें कि what can we expect from the trailer today?
बेहोश मत होइएगा प्लीज। हाँ, रोंगटे तो खड़े होने वाले हैं। और मैं तो स्पोर्ट्स का बड़ा फैन हूँ। मैं एम वन ऑफ द पीपल हु हैज ऑलवेज प्राइडेड इन बीइंग अ स्पेक्टेटर, नेवर अ प्लेयर। लेकिन ये ट्रेलर देखने के बाद मुझे भी लग रहा है कि मुझे कुछ तो स्पोर्ट्स में करना पड़ेगा।
Thank you. So we see the next wave, Mr. Subramaniam, in the sports action.
Yeah, in the Veterans League, hopefully.
Get the gloves ready.
Yeah.
Ritesh, how about you?
I think let's watch the trailer, and I think it's an wholesome family film. So get ready to get yourselves at your seats at home with your family to watch this film.
We're looking forward to it. Rakesh sir.
बहुत मुश्किल है क्योंकि ट्रेलर की बात होती है तो पूरी फिल्म याद आ जाती है। तो ट्रेलर एक झलक है और उम्मीद यही है आप सबको पसंद आएगा, ऑडियंस को पसंद आएगा। और इससे अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म हो नहीं सकता था ट्रेलर के लॉन्च के लिए। जैसे रितेश ने बोला कि इट्स अ होलसम एंटरटेनर, बट डेफिनेटली मैं तो यही चाहूँगा कि ट्रेलर आपको फिल्म तक खींच के लेके जाए और जब आप फिल्म देखें तो बार बार देखें।
Thank you, and I'm sure it's packed with a punch, and we're looking forward to it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Well, now that I was the makers, तो अब ज़्यादा वक्त ना लेते हुए अब मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूँगा इस तूफानी फिल्म के ज़बरदस्त कास्ट को। सबसे पहले स्वागत करते हैं उस स्टार का जिन्होंने अपने करियर में वो हर किरदार निभाया है जो हम इमेजिन कर सकते हैं। अपने अतरंगी डायलॉग से हंसाया भी है, जज्बात से रुलाया भी है, विलन के हर अवतार में डराया भी है। आई एम श्योर अब तक आप पहचान चुके होंगे कि मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ। यस, आज वो हमारे साथ यहाँ पर इस मंच पर मौजूद नहीं है, बट डेफिनेटली ही इज विद अस ऑन द वर्चुअल स्पेस। सो प्लीज वेलकम ऑन दिस वर्चुअल स्पेस मिस्टर परेश रावल।
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much, sir. It's always inspiring to hear you. Thank you so much for joining us today. और अब बताइए कि तूफान से कैसे जुड़े? What attracted you to the film? क्या आपने बॉक्सिंग कोच प्ले करने के लिए कोई ट्रेनिंग ली थी?
तूफान से मेरा जुड़ने का पहला रीजन तो ये था कि एक्सेल कंपनी जिस किस्म की फिल्में बनाती है, वेरी एक्साइटिंग फिल्में बनाती है एंड एस्थेटिकली भी अच्छी होती है। दैट वाज नंबर 1। नंबर 2 वाज ऑफ कोर्स राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहता, क्योंकि उनकी फिल्मों का मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन रहा हूँ। और रंग दे बसंती हो या मिल्खा सिंह हो, तो मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन रहा हूँ। और उनके साथ काम करने का जब मुझे मौका मिल रहा था तो चलो मैं मिलने जाता हूँ। Then when I heard the story, मुझे लगा ये फिल्म बहुत ज़रूरी है इंडिया के लिए। मुझे एज एन एक्टर भी इसमें करने को काफ़ी बहुत है, और फरहान के साथ भी मुझे काम करने का मौका मिल रहा था। और जो मैंने मिल्खा सिंह के बारे में सोचा था, उनके प्रेप के बारे में, फिल्म के अंदर कैसा उन्होंने पूरे डेडिकेटेड थे, तो मैं काफ़ी प्रभावित हुआ था कि एक बंदा, एक ऐसा एक्टर जो इतनी लगन से काम करता है, उनके साथ काम करेंगे तो हमको भी कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। दिस वर द रीजन।
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू। वेल, अब बारी है हमारी अगली स्टार की। शी इज डैशिंग, शी इज गॉर्जियस। अपनी वर्सेटाइल एक्टिंग से जिन्होंने टेलीविजन और बॉलीवुड दोनों जहां में अपनी जगह बना ली। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज वेलकम the very beautiful, the very gorgeous Miss Mrinal Thakur. Thank you, Mrinal, for joining us. It's a pleasure to have you. And कैसा लगा फरहान अख्तर, राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा and परेश रावल जी के साथ काम करके?
It's a dream come true, you know. उनके साथ काम करने की बहुत इच्छा थी. I remember sending him a Facebook message during Bhag Milkha, and it's happening. And I'm very excited. I feel I'm very blessed.
See the power of social media, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, and wishing you all the very best. And we're looking forward to the trailer as well as the film. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mrinal. Thank you. अब वो लम्हा, वो पल आ गया है जिसका हम सबको बेसब्री से इंतजार था. It's time to unveil the power-packed trailer of तूफान. एक धमाकेदार अंदाज में. Ladies and gentlemen, let's roll.
It was like leap training. Every 4 years I trained for one.
28 दिन में खत्म हो गया.
Basically. No, the thing is, बात ये है कि I've managed to keep myself fit for most of it. So whenever I need to start doing something new, I think that little advantage of having a good level of endurance and fitness helps. ये जो बॉक्सिंग की शुरुआत थी ट्रेनिंग मैंने अक्टूबर या नवंबर में शुरू की और शूट हमने शुरू की अगस्त में शायद, if I'm not mistaken, or something like that. So for that period of time, roughly about 8-9 months, I was training. And what Rakesh is saying is very true. क्योंकि एक चीज़ होती है, हमने मतलब when we were growing up इतनी सारी फिल्में देखी हैं बॉक्सिंग के बारे में, तो एक एक्साइटमेंट होता है कि you'll also be a part of those, you know, that fight होगा एक रिंग में और montage होगा ट्रेनिंग का, and all that is very exciting when you get into it. But as you start training for the sport, you realize कि आप अपने आप को कितना भी फिट माने, कितना भी अच्छा आपका endurance हो, कुछ भी हो, you are not prepared to take on the sport of boxing with that attitude in mind कि हो जाएगा. It's not possible. It is an extremely demanding sport. अगर आप sports वालों से पूछे कि which sport do they think is most demanding, they'll probably tell you that it's boxing. क्योंकि उसमें एक तो physical aspect है, there is also a mental aspect to the game and an emotional aspect to the game. So it's actually like playing chess with your opponent, but you're using your body to play it. You know, so you're constantly engaged. So it was it was difficult learning it, but very, very exciting because of what it is that we were going to make. So that gives you a certain, that gives you fuel. And similarly, I'll actually go back to Bhaag Milkha Bhaag because it was mentioned here. कि अगर कोई भी काम आप करने वाले हो, अगर उसकी जो वजह है वो सही है, वो एक अच्छी जगह से आ रही है, एक प्योर जगह से, ऑनेस्ट जगह से आ रही है, then you automatically find the strength to be able to do it. तो फिर दुनिया देख के बोल रही है कि यार मतलब 3 घंटे ट्रेन कर रहा है, but you don't feel like you're training for 3 hours. You feel like you're doing what is right for what is being asked of you. So that is what kept me going through the training, through the shoot. It was so the fitness aspect of me is one part of the film, and the manifestation जो physically में आप करते हो वो ऐसे दिखता है यहाँ पे screen पे, तो everybody reacts to it very positively. Thank you. But it's not about that. It's not. जो आप देख रहे हैं, it's actually about what's going on inside that you're being able to see on the outside.
So talking about inside, you know, sir ने कहा यहाँ पर कि यहाँ पे दावत होती है. How did you manage to resist yourself with the
मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि मुझे न्योता नहीं मिला. I was never invited, nor was I allowed to gate crash. The canteen was being shifted around every day, so I couldn't find it. Only the wonderful smell of like rotis and naans and all would float around, and it would inspire me कि अब आने दो opponent को मेरे सामने मैं दिखाऊंगा.
Thank you. Mrinal, Tufan se, what can your fans, what can we expect?
A girl who's very passionate, liberal, always, you know, in life we need that one person in your life who would always push you to achieve your aims. Sometimes, you know, even I felt like I was a little underconfident. I did not know what to do, how to do. I had my friends, my mom especially, who always pushed me that you can do it. You know, nobody from our family has done this before, but I see that in you. I think her vision, and somewhere down the line when I was shooting the film, I was also having all the characteristics of my mother in my mind. You know, the way she's so passionate, the way her vision especially, because Tufan, it is a very challenging film, and it is the most difficult part is to motivate someone, to inspire someone. That journey, you know, the learning, the actors that I shared the frame with, Paresh sir, उनके साथ मुझे सर ने अभी कहा कि he used to feel like audience, but I used to forget that what's my next line. I used to just be so enchanted and mesmerized by his performance. And one thing I loved about the entire filming process was there used to be this last take for love, you know, where you just be yourself and just like go for it. You don't have to care about what your hair is like, makeup is like, you know, you just be the character. What can fans expect? I think it's a slice of life. Everybody in their life, they go through some problems, struggles. And the thing is to never give up. And I'm proud, and I'm sitting here, you know, on the stage, and I have met a lot of people in my life who've never given up, and so my character, this journey is literally an amalgamation of my friends, my family, my co-actors, my director, and अगर सर मुझे उतनी छूट नहीं देते ना तो वो उतनी instinctive नहीं होती. So yeah. And thank you, Farhan, and thank you, sir. Trust me, because I feel like having this deadly combination at this initial stage of my career, it means the world to me.
You know, but if I may just add, sorry if I may, you know, I really feel that when a script is written, the characters in the film end up finding the right people to portray them. It just happens, I don't know what you call it, serendipity or, you know, whatever you want to call it. And so I feel when this film was made, when we were shooting, and now that we see it, I messaged her after I saw it the first time. Like, I cannot imagine anybody else in the part of Ananya apart from her. I cannot imagine it. It was like this role was written for her to play, like it was written for her, knowing that when we started writing it, Mrinal will be playing this, so let's write it for her. It feels like that. So she's made it so much her own, which is credit to her. And she's owned it, you know, it belongs to her. So I mean that is truly the hallmark of somebody who knows what they're doing, you know. And like she said, this is just the beginning of her career. She has a very long way to go, and we're all very excited to see what comes next and how we feature in it. Little PS at the bottom. खुद अपनी भी publicity
But
के
I
बस
have
है.
to apologize, Farhan, because on the set I would only sit with all those, you know, the Jim
Yeah,
Jam
yeah.
biscuits and all
She
the
was
snacks and
talking
tease
about
him.
motivation. No? This is how she used to motivate me. She used to hold up Jim Jam biscuits and eat them.
But there's too much
Rakesh used
food
to come with
happening.
parathas like this.
That's what people are going to think, that there's only party and food happening. यहाँ पे काम नहीं होता. यहाँ पे सिर्फ lunch होता है और फिर घर जाओ.
And poor him is doing push-ups and abs.
Oh God. But he's like right now, after doing Tufan, I've started doing MMA and I feel so fit and I feel like I want to be in the ring and be fighting, you know. And somebody asked me, why are you learning all of this? Tufan 2 aa rahi hai kya? I said, I wish, but zaruri hai yaar, seekhna, ek sport, dedicate, and it just made me a better person. The film made me a better person altogether.
Thank you. Thank you. And with that, you know, कई सारे सवाल हैं. The friends from the media have a lot of questions. But the first question is from Shravan from Miss Malini, and Farhan, for you. In the trailer, you portrayed a goon from Dongri who eventually makes the choice of becoming a boxer. How was the transition in playing two shades to the same character?
Yeah, I must say I had a wonderful time playing that character of Anju. It's fully one let your hair down kind of part. And you know, we've all, again, just coming back to, we are all students of film, and we all fantasize about things when we see them. So like for me, when I saw, for example, like I saw Rangila and I saw Amir Khan in Rangila, and I was like, yaar, itna maza aayega isko doing that part. You can just have fun. You can say what's on your mind. You know, there's a carefree, I give a damn attitude. You think you're the catch whiskers. You know, so when I got a chance to do it in this film, I absolutely relished it. Working with Hussain, to be honest, was very helpful because Hussain is he's from the area that we shot in. That's where he grew up. So he knows the lingo, he knows the body language, he knows those people inside out. Like he knows what, you know, like who you'd see in that mohalla and be like that he's one hero type. You know, like, so that kind of thing. So borrowing all those little things. So a combination of that, a combination of the wonderful styling that was done on the film and Vijay Maurya's dialogue, I think all of that came together to make a very enjoyable experience for me on set. I must also here quickly thank all the people who lived in that area that we shot in Nagpada, where we were shooting. They were so warm, so hospitable. Every single door was open for us to come and take a break, have a cup of tea, you know, just sit under the fan if we want to. So it really felt like you were shooting with your friends, with your family, and they made you feel very, very welcome. And that really did help.
So I'll give a special mention to all the people from Nagpada, and that too, तुम्ही सगळे बघत असाल तर तुम्हा सर्वांना एक मोठा shout out आणि नमस्कार. So I just Marathi, sorry.
Hey, me पण. Thank you.